Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Salma Al-Zasadia with NPM 2341204 from Accounting Class 23A, course International Business. Here I will explain the material about ethic and social responsibility in international business. In the era of globalization, business effective are no longer limited to one country but expands across many countries with different culture, law, and values. This creates challenge for companies to operate in an ethical way. Ethic and social responsibility in international business are important because companies are not only expected to make profit but also to consider social, environmental, and moral impact. Therefore, companies must balance economic goals and social responsibility to survive and grow in the global market. Definition of international business ethic. International business ethic is a set of moral principles and standards that guide company behavior in doing business across countries. It is about deciding what is right and wrong in a global context, which is often influenced by difference in culture, law, and social value in each country. Even though there are universal values as honesty, fairness, responsibility, and transparency, their application can be different depending on the environment where the company operates. Therefore, companies need clear ethical guidelines so they can adapt without breaking basic moral principles. Principles of international business ethics. In international business, there are several ethic principles that must be followed. These include honesty in every transaction, fairness in trading, all parties' responsibility for the impact of decision, transparency in sharing information, and compliance with law and regulation. These principles are important to create healthy and sustainable business relationships. Ethical challenge in international business. In practice, companies often face many ethical challenges when operating globally. One main challenge is culture difference, where a practice that is normal in one country may be seen as unethical in other, as giving gifts that can be considered bribery. In addition, corruption and bribery are still problems in some countries, especially in licensing and project process. Companies also face a labor exploitation issue as low wages and poor working conditions in developing countries. Besides the environmental damage from industrial effective and the use of different standards between developed and developing countries are also major ethical challenges. Corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility, or CR, is a company commitment to support sustainable economic development while caring for society and the environment. CR has several main effects, including economic responsibility to follow law, ethical responsibility to do what is right, and philanthropic responsibility to contribute to society. In practice, CR can be done through effectiveness as environmental programs, improving employee welfare, and supporting local communities. By applying CR, companies can improve their reputation and build good relationship with stakeholders. Role of international regulation. International regulation play an important role in guiding ethical global business. Many organizations and international standards are created to make sure companies follow fair, transparent, and responsible practice. This regulation also help prevent unethical action such as corruption and human rights violation, and encourage companies to care more about social and environmental impact. Strategy to apply ethics in global business. To apply ethics in global business, companies can create a clear code of ethics, provide training for employees, and conduct regular monitoring and evaluation. In addition, companies must be able to adjust their policies to local conditions without breaking global ethics principles. With the right strategies, companies can maintain integrity and increase trust from different stakeholders. Ethical issue in international business. In practice, international business often faces many ethical issues such as corruption and bribery, labor exploitation, environmental damage, tax avoidance, and human rights violation. These issues often happen because of difference in regulation and weak control in some countries. If not handled properly, this problem can damage a company reputation and cause a big loss both financially and socially. Case study. One example in international business is Nike, which was criticized for using low-paid workers in developing countries. This case gave a negative impact on the company reputation and forces Nike to improve working standards and increase transparency in its supply chains. Other examples is Shell, which faced criticisms because of environmental pollution in Nigeria. This case shows the importance of company responsibility toward the environment and local communication. For this case, we can see the unethical action can have a big impact on a company's sustainability. Conclusion. Ethics and responsibility in international business are very important to keep companies sustainable in the global market. Companies should not only focus on profit, but also care about social, environmental, and moral aspects. Good ethical practice can build trust and improve reputation, while unethical action can create big risks. Therefore, ethics and social responsibility must be an important part of business strategy. That's all I can say about ethics and social responsibility in international business. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.